So you guys asked for it. You guys wanted the okra recipe and the fried chip recipe, so we're gonna give it to you guys today. Sana, I'll let you be master chef.
Are you guys ready to learn some yummy masala potatoes and okra recipe?
Tastes so good.
And it's super easy. Okay guys, so it's super simple. First we're gonna do the potatoes and then we'll move on to the okra. But I have about 2 pounds of okra here that we're gonna cut up, and I have 7 potatoes about this size. They're not large, they're not small, they're like medium, and we're just gonna cut them. And the potatoes, you wanna cut them, slice them right in the middle, and then try to make them as thin as possible. So I'll show you guys how thin I'm making mine. This is how thin I like them. So when I fry it, it gets nice and crispy. The thicker you cut the potatoes, the longer it will take to fry them, and they won't turn out very crispy either. We'll put masala on them and fry them. Okay guys, so we're done cutting all the potatoes. Usama helped me, and they're nice and thin. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting the ingredients in, and we only need 5 things, which is ginger garlic paste, lal mirchi, which is red chili powder, ground turmeric powder, haldi, cumin, and salt to taste. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need for both the recipes, the potatoes and the okra, which we'll get to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 1 full tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and another full tablespoon. So 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and then 1 teaspoon of haldi, turmeric powder, maybe I'll do another half, so 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You're gonna put about 2.5 teaspoons of chili powder, and you're gonna put 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. And then salt to taste. I'm not going to tell you exactly how much salt, because if your potato quantity is different, you're going to need more or less salt. What I usually do is I mix this up, and then I'll put like 1 teaspoon of salt, taste it a little bit, and then put another teaspoon of salt, taste it a little bit. Once it gets the perfect amount of saltiness, then I'll stop. Are you ready to mix it?
Yeah, it's the fun part. I like to massage the potatoes because I feel like nice.
What kind of massaging is this, Usama?
They taste better, I'm telling you.
Okay.
And then you do a flip and a flip.
Okay. Okay.
And then you just go all in. Tornado.
I don't think
And
they've
then
ever
you go
seen
refine.
this kind of mixing ever.
It's a system. You start from one corner and then you go to the other. Oh, you missed some potatoes. No, we got them now.
Okay.
Do that. You want to make sure every single piece has something. And then you just start throwing them.
What? No, you don't do that. Definitely not.
I'm just making it up at this point.
Okay, and we have them nice and evenly mixed.
See, it worked.
And now you're just gonna put salt in them and deep fry them. Okay, so now we're done with the potatoes. We're gonna move on to the okra, and I'm gonna cut them, again, thin, but not too thin. That's kind of the size you wanna cut them so they get nice and crispy when they fry.
So we're going to take a bunch of oil and put it in the pot and hopefully have enough so we can cover all the okra. That's it? I don't even know how much.
Keep going, keep going. We're trying to deep fry it, the whole thing. You can just go ahead and yeah. And that is good. It's time for the okra, and we're going to use the same ingredients we used for the potatoes. And I'm going to take 2.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste for this, and gonna do 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder. Go. And then salt to taste. Okay, and Osama's gonna mix this up for us, and then we're gonna fry it.
All right, guys, master mixer time. So you gotta massage the okra. Massage, massage, massage. Gotta make it feel good about itself, and then you start tossing it.
Wow.
And then you make sure you got the other side. Be gentle, you don't want to break the okra.
And this looks good.
No.
No?
Then you gotta pick and drop, air it out. Air, spin. Air, spin.
Okay, I think we're done watching you mix this. Okay guys, so we have the potatoes and the okra ready, and now we just have to fry them. And I have my oil on medium heat because I don't want it to burn too quick. And I'm just gonna take a whole bunch and put it in. Okay, once they're golden brown, just take them out. And I like to put it in a bowl that has a little bit of tissue paper so it just soaks up the oil. Okay guys, so the potatoes are fried and they're nice and pretty yellow gold and crispy. Now we're gonna move on to the okra, and in the same oil I just added the okra and I'm going to let it fry till it becomes like a nice dark brown. Okay, so the masala fries are done. You can either eat them like this, or I like to add a little bit more masala, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this MDH Tawa Fry Masala, and I literally take this and sprinkle it all over the potatoes, and I just mix it up. This just adds more masala on it, and it's really, really yummy. So if you're a masala kind of person like me, then you will definitely want to do this step. So you guys can see it's halfway cooked. So this is how it was initially, and this is how it's starting to look. It's gonna get smaller and smaller, and we're just gonna wait till it gets nice and brown.
This is how it looks once it's fried, nice and crispy. It smells so good.
Okay guys, so we are finally done. So the hardest part is basically the frying part, that takes the longest. But this is how the final piece looks. And I really hope you guys enjoy this fried chips and okra masala recipe.
We're about to find out.
See how everyone likes it.
Alright guys, we just finished the okra and chips, and we're gonna get Mom and Uzair to test it. Mom, I see you sticking
She
up
tried
here.
one!
Mom, you didn't wait. How was it?
What are you doing? How was it?
Wow.
It's so good.
Uzair, you might as well try it too now.
Oh yeah, I might go try too.
Yeah.
Bomb!
Woo!
So
Super
good.
bomb.
Yeah.
Nice chips. Try.
Last time, what was that? Last Sana?
Last time I made the potato chips, Uzair ate the whole bowl. So this time around, Usama's like, I'm gonna have some before this.
I've been eating that.
Because I'm fat, right? The way I eat is like a fat guy. So I don't leave things behind.
Yeah.
Usama eats like a skinny guy, so he'll save it for like next week. Like he'll have like half these chips and then he'll have them like a week later, he'll forget about them. I'm a fat guy, I don't forget about food, bro.
No,
You know what I'm saying?
So thumbs up?
Yeah, it's very good.
Two thumbs up.
Nice.
Okay guys, so that's it for the masala, potatoes, and okra recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. Try it and tell me how it
It's
turns out.
delicious. It's addicting.
But make sure you turn on your notifications and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.
Peace.